Welcome back everyone. On today's video, we're using another cotton candy sugar, but this time it's called Pink Punch, and it is delicious. Let me tell you what. I'm doing it a little differently than the blueberry pie, but it's pretty much the same. Anyway, let's stop wasting time and let's get to it. Come on. What's up everybody? Let's get it started. First into the pot, 36 grams gelatin. And for that flavor, it looks like this right here, Pink Punch. Super delicious. I love it. I just like to snack on it right out of the bag. Anyway, we're going to use 150 grams of this, okay? All right. Followed by that 150 grams Pink Punch sugar. Let's give that a nice little stirry poo. Mix a little here and a little for me. And also for you. Now, just like the blueberry pie, those big chunks of sugar, you don't have to worry about them. They will melt down quite easily. Next into the pot, got a little ahead of myself. 0 is set. We need 225 grams of corn syrup. See how that is all stuck on the spoon there, or spatula? I just dropped my dang assistant knife into the bucket of corn syrup, and it went to the bottom pretty dang quickly. I'll use it to scrape that off, because this corn syrup, she thick. For all you newbies out there who haven't seen any of these videos, yeah. 230 is good, 231 is good. Not gonna do any harm. Just make sure you adjust for it. That's like 3 extra gummies. All right, let's get rid of the scale. Next in, 125 grams applesauce. And now we're gonna give it a little mix, just so we can get that gelatin started on its blooming action. All right, that's good enough. Now we're gonna let this sit for that 7 to 10 minutes to allow that gelatin to fully bloom, and then we're gonna put it on the stovetop. See you shortly. We will also be using that standard 2 ounces of liquid coconut oil with 1 level tablespoon scoop of lecithin granules, followed by 1 teaspoon cream of tartar and 2 little pinches of malic acid. All right, everybody, here we are. This has been sitting on the stove for about 5, maybe 6 minutes. So it's time to add that oil. Give me 1 second. Or like 30, I don't know. All right, everybody, I'm gonna get me a little close up, you know what I mean? Slow-mo, and here we go. Just like that. Let's get all the oil into there. Now let's get a whisk to make this a little easier to do. All right, so as per usual, we're gonna stir this for 5 or more minutes, sometimes less, sometimes more, depending on the batch size. But I'm not gonna bore you with all that. So I'm gonna continue this until all that oil is fully incorporated within the batch. And then we're gonna let it sit on a low heat until we reach a little simmering boil, and then it'll be time to add the acids. And that is when you'll see me again. All right? Toodles. I forgot to mention, off camera, I added a little bit of white and even a little less red to get us to this nice pink color. It's almost like a dark coral. It's a little darker than what you see on the screen. All right, we've arrived to our final destination, or close to it anyway. So I'm gonna get those acids ready. And here we go, Geronimo. All right, I'm gonna stir this until all that excess water has been evaporated. That usually takes a couple minutes. So I'm going to continue this until that's done. I'm going to get that pour station set up, and I'll see you over there. And away we go. And that's all she wrote. I'll see you when it's time to sand. Bye. And there you have it, Pink Punch Gummies. Told you it was easy. I love how it tastes. Anyway, if you want to make it and you're having issues, you know what to do. But otherwise, I think you've got this. Okay? And if you don't, hit me up. Until next time, I'm Burns. Bye.